Welcome to Intact Knowledge. In this video, we will cover expert-level HVAC interview questions focused on fault diagnosis using BMS trends and data analysis.
Question 1. What are BMS trends in HVAC systems? Answer. BMS trends are time-based graphical records of HVAC system parameters. They monitor temperature, pressure, flow, valve and damper position, equipment status. Trends help engineers analyze system performance and faults. Question 2. How do BMS trends help in HVAC fault diagnosis? Answer. BMS trends help identify abnormal system behavior. They are used to compare actual performance with design, identify deviation patterns, detect recurring faults, analyze system response over time. Trend analysis reduces guesswork and speeds up troubleshooting. Question 3. How can you identify sensor faults using BMS trends? Answer. Sensor faults can be identified by trend behavior. Common indications include flat or constant readings, sudden spikes or drops, values outside no response to system changes. Faulty sensors lead to incorrect control actions. Question 4. How can BMS trends indicate airflow problems? Answer. Airflow issues can be detected through trend analysis. Signs include supply air temperature not changing, damper position fully open but low airflow, high fan speed with low pressure, poor room temperature control. Trends help confirm duct or airflow restrictions. Question 5. How can valve and damper faults be diagnosed using trends? Answer. Valve and damper faults are visible through position feedback trends. Indications include commanded position not matching feedback, valve fully open but no temperature change, continuous hunting or oscillation, slow response time. Trend data confirms mechanical or actuator issues. Question 6. How do BMS trends help identify control sequence issues? Answer. Incorrect control logic shows abnormal trend patterns. Examples include equipment starting in wrong sequence, simultaneous heating and cooling, frequent on-off cycling, set point not being maintained. Trend analysis helps validate control sequence logic. Question 7. How can chiller faults be identified using BMS trends? Answer. Chiller performance issues can be analyzed through trends. Key parameters include chilled water supply and return temperature, compressor loading, flow rate, energy consumption. Abnormal trends indicate efficiency or mechanical problems. Question 8. How can energy waste be detected using BMS trends? Answer. Energy waste appears as unnecessary equipment operation. Common signs include equipment running during unoccupied hours, simultaneous heating and cooling, excessive pump or fan speed, high energy use at low load. Trend analysis supports energy optimization decisions. Question 9. What is the importance of trend duration and interval? Answer. Proper trend setup is critical for diagnosis. Considerations include trend interval, sampling rate, trend duration, daily, weekly, monthly, data resolution, storage capacity. Incorrect trend setup can hide important faults. Question 10. What are best practices for HVAC fault diagnosis using BMS? Answer. Best practices include understanding system design and sequence, selecting correct trend points, analyzing trends before site inspection, correlating data with Senton observations, documenting findings and corrective actions. BMS trend analysis improves accuracy and reduces downtime. These were expert-level HVAC fault diagnosis interview questions using BMS trends based on real Gulf projects and facility operations. In the next video, we will cover advanced HVAC performance optimization using BMS analytics. Like, share, and subscribe to Intact Knowledge for professional HVAC learning and expert interview preparation. Thank you.